Today we'll be finding the area of shaded figures. To begin with, let's review some of the formulas we'll be using. We'll be finding the area of a rectangle, which is the area is equal to base times height, and we'll be finding the area of a square, which is side squared, or base times height. We'll be finding the area of a triangle, which is half of a rectangle, so it's 1/2 base times height, and the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. Today we'll be using 3.14 for the value of pi. So in order to find the area of a shaded region, you first identify the shapes you have. In this case, we have two shapes. We find the area of each shape, and we subtract the unshaded area. So we have the rectangle, which is shaded, minus the unshaded circle. So we find the area of this rectangle minus the area of the circle, and that will give us the area of the shaded region. In this example, we have a large circle and a small circle. We'll find the area of the big circle, subtract out the area of the little circle, and that will give us the area of the shaded region. Here we have a rectangle and a triangle. We'll find the area of the rectangle, subtract out the area of the triangle, and that will give us the area of the shaded region. In our final example, we have a square and a triangle. We'll take the area of the square minus the area of the triangle, and that will give us the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded section of the following figures. Show your work. So first identify the two shapes we have. We have a rectangle and we have a circle. So in order to find the shaded region, we take the rectangle, the area of the rectangle minus the area of the circle. So go ahead and do that. Find the area of the shaded section. Show your work. So here we have two circles. We have a big circle and a little circle, so we need to know the radius of each. So let's look at the little circle. Here's the center of the circle to the side of the little circle. So the little circle has a radius of 7. And the big circle, this is the center of the big circle, and the radius goes 7 plus 9. So the radius of the big circle is 16. So in order to find the shaded region, take the area of the big circle minus the area of the little circle. Find the area of the shaded region. Here we have a rectangle. So to find the rectangle, we need the area is the base times height, so we have 11 by 20. And we need to subtract out the triangle. So we need to know the base and the height of the triangle. So the height of the triangle is the same length as the side of the rectangle. So the height is 11. Now the base of the triangle is this length. So how we find that is we know the whole rectangle is 20. This region's 6, and this is 6. So 20 minus 6 minus 6, which is 20 minus 12. So the base is 8. So find the area of the shaded region by taking the area of the rectangle minus the area of the triangle. Doug painted the shaded region of the square below. How many square feet did he paint? So again, let's identify the shapes. We have a square and we have a triangle. We're going to take the area of the square minus the area of the triangle. So we need to determine the height of the triangle and the base of the triangle. Well, the height of the triangle is the same as the length of the square. So side length of the square, so that's a 4. And again, the base is the same length as the side of the square, which is 4. So go ahead and calculate the shaded region.